Hello again. Miss Hubacher here to talk to you about the structure of your reading class this year, starting with the expectations for independent reading. So on the first few days of class, or the first few times that I see you, whether that is face-to-face or virtual, we will be getting you set up with an independent reading log, and that will be digital. You will have the opportunity to check out books from the Media Center eventually. You will have plenty of online resources, whether you want to check out a novel in the form of an ebook or you want to read some informational text from a variety of different websites. You will have a lot of choice in what you read this year. The expectation will generally be that you are reading for about an hour on your own outside of school. And we will put all of those practices into place in the classroom to make sure that you feel good about doing that on your own. We will have some conferencing that takes place in the classroom, but ultimately the bulk of your independent reading time will take place when you are not in class. Okay, let's dig into the units that we will be working through during your 7th grade year of reading. Our first unit is a communication and ELA unit, and this unit really sets you up for success for the rest of the school year because communication is vital to so many things that you will be doing, not only in reading class, but in other classes and in your future. So we will specifically practice presentations, standing and delivering a speech. We will practice small group discussions, contributing to conversations and moving the discussion forward. And we will also practice the online discussion space and what that looks like to be a positive, thoughtful contributor in an online community. In Unit 2, our Elements of Literature unit, we will dig into the short story elements and elements of fiction. So we will use the theme of survival to study literary elements, and you will get to read some very engaging texts that are written at your independent reading level, and you will also have a lot of choice over the books that you read during this unit. Unit 3 is all about information literacy, and so this is our big research unit. This tends to be one of the tougher units for 7th graders where we really talk about professionalism as a researcher, a reader, and a writer, and using ethical sources and really having an understanding of how to work through that research process from the beginning of developing your research question to finding those credible and reliable sources to being able to comprehend the information that you are finding on any given research topic. In Unit 4, we continue with the study of text structures, and so that continues with a fair amount of nonfiction text, and we will dig deep into the way that authors organize their writing and how that impacts you as a reader and how you can use those strategies to help you figure out what the author is trying to convey. Unit 5 is the analysis of the argument, and this unit really lends itself to the debate unit or the debate experience. So whether in an online format or a face-to-face format, there are some great opportunities to engage in a professional, high-level, evidence-based debate, and you will have the chance to explore a variety of different topics. And finally, we will wrap it up with Unit 6, our culminating unit. What does it mean to be a reader? In this unit, we will pull together all of the lessons and techniques and strategies that we've learned throughout the year, and we will apply it to thematic text based on the dystopian theme. And so you will have a chance to choose some of what you read, and you will be provided with some dystopian short stories that we will read as a class as well. And you will have a chance to show off everything that you've learned in your year of 7th grade reading. Can't wait to have a great year with you guys.